Hello everyone, my name is Ivy and in this video I would be showing you a simple automation setup that you can do for yourself even without being an AI or automation specialist. In this example, I would be showing you how to automate your emails to be able to receive notifications on your WhatsApp. It's very simple. Let's say you want to automate anytime you receive an email for interviews and you don't want to be going through your emails all the time. So automate the fact that when you receive an email that has a keyword of interview, it comes directly to your WhatsApp. In this module, I would be using a tool called Zapier. And what we would be doing is creating a Zap. First off, you need to create a free Zapier account. And once you've created your account, you will come to the section of create and then you see Zap. So this is creating your first Zap. You click on Zap and it's going to bring you to the editor page. In this editor page, we are going to create our workflow. Remember, we said we are going to automate receiving an email that has the keyword interview to be able to receive notifications on our WhatsApp. Before any workflow or automation is created, there needs to be a trigger. What is a trigger? A trigger is the first thing that needs to happen for an action to take place. So a trigger in this case is going to be receiving an email with that keyword interview, and our action is sending it to our WhatsApp. We click on trigger and you connect the app you want to automate, which is Gmail. So we're going to connect our Gmail. Having connected our Gmail, we would set up what the trigger event is going to be. And in this section, we said we are looking for a matching search. So we're going to click this because we're looking for interview. So we click the new email matching search. It triggers when you receive a new email that matches a search string you provide. And we're going to sign in. So in doing this, we'll click continue. And what's the keyword? Remember, the keyword is interview. Okay, and we continue. Now this is set up and we're going to have a test trigger. So a test trigger is to see if this is working. So from the um, email we have connected and the keyword Zip or Zapier was able to pull off this. So let's pull off one of this. Let's just select one of this. I'm going to select this one. So it's going to have, for instance, this is an email that has a keyword of interview, application submitted, this, so all of this. So I'm going to pick this, continue with selected record. You can actually find more when we saw videos. So now this is the second step of connecting the WhatsApp. So I'm going to be using WhatsApp notification. However, there is a free, this WhatsApp notification is premium. There is a free version, which is the WhatsApp. Yeah, this is the WhatsApp notification and alerts by SyncMat. So this is free. So, but for this course, I'll be using the premium version. So I've connected the WhatsApp and I'm going to select my action event, which is send a message. And in the send a message, this is actually the phone number connected. I already have it connected, so I'm just going to continue. Now, what's the template? The template is I need a new message, or if you want to say a new lead. But in this case, I'm going to select in a new message because it's a new email that came in. And the email, what name do I want to give it? I would be putting new interview lead. You can have that, or new interview message. You can also have a field matching. I'm going to show you that. So new interview message. by having the slash. Once you have the slash, you can now select the exact person or the exact email matching. Let's say it's coming from this person. Yes, let's say it's coming from this name, which is Alina. And what you want to be your link to reply, you can have, for instance, book your interview. If you want to still add the field, it could be this. And we click on continue. So once you've done that, the next step is actually to test the step. For a beginner, you need to test the step. If you're already a professional, you can just skip the step. So I'm going to test this. And testing this, you would get a notification. It's just popped up on my WhatsApp on my system. So you've seen, of course, on that notification from Zap or Zapier. So we've created our first Zap, and to finish it, you publish it. This is going to go live. So publishing it means for every time that email with an interview comes in from Alina, then, I'm going to get my WhatsApp notification. So my first Zap is actually live. And that's about it for the section. Thank you.